सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, Zaggle, has entered into an agreement with Indus Towers Limited. In this regard, we hereby enclose the necessary details in Annexure A as required under the SEBI Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015, read with SEBI Circular No. SEBI/ho/CFT/pod2/sir/p/0155 dated November 11, 2024. HMPL has been awarded a work order by Venkatesh Infra Projects Private Limited worth 102.10 crore for the reinforcement steel cutting, pending, fixing as per technical drawing and fabricating of structural steel for bridge construction at Versova Bandra Sea Link Project Site, Mumbai. The order is to be completed within 6 months. Company name, RailTel Corporation of India Limited. Entity issuing order, East Central Railway. Order amount, 288 crore 14,67,426 rupees. Time period to complete order, the 20th of February 2027. Music Broadcast Limited has received an order from Assistant Commissioner, Podi Bazaar, Central 3, Chennai Central, Tamil Nadu for period 2020-21 for GST demand of Rs 21,291/ comprising tax, penalty, and interest. Dev Information Technology Limited, Devit, has secured a noteworthy order from Rajya Sabha Secretariat for Design, Development, Implementation and Maintenance of Application Software and Website worth Rs 1.4 crore approximately. Kenfin Homes Limited has awarded a contract to MS-IBM India Private Limited for the implementation and maintenance of its core business solution, infrastructure, and security solution. The contract is valued at 296 rupees and 95 paise crore and has a tenure of 7 years, with an optional extension of 2 years. The contract includes the delivery and management of various IT systems and services, including the lending solution, document management system, accounting system, risk management system, and security infrastructure. The contract is expected to enhance the company's operational efficiency and security posture. Company name, D Development Engineers Limited. Entity issuing order, new customer, name undisclosed due to commercial reasons. Order amount, approximately 27 crore. Completion time, November 2025. Company name, Solarium Green Energy Limited. Order issuer, NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam Limited. Order amount, Rs 55,84,50,134/, excluding GST. Time period to complete the order, as per Annexure I. Solarium Green Energy Limited has been awarded orders worth 66 crore 55,51,531 rupees/ approximately, exclusive of GST, for the development of 10,267 kW grid, 6,929 kW grid and 27 kW grid connected rooftop solar projects at various locations of Central Armed Forces and departments under Ministry of Home Affairs Zone 2, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Zone 4, Uttar Pradesh, and Lucknow respectively. Order details. Company name, RailTel Corporation of India Limited. Order issuer, High Court of J&K and Ladakh. Order amount, 22 crore 44,28,034 rupees. Order completion timeline, the 19th of August 2025. GE Power India Limited has received a purchase/work orders for an amount of 403.38 million Indian rupees, excluding 18% GST, from NTPC Limited and MP Power Generating Company Limited. The orders are for the supply of parts for a steam turbine and services for boiler panels. The orders are to be executed within 15 months and 80 days. The company does not have any interest in the entities that awarded the orders, and the orders are not considered related party transactions. Itcons E-Solutions Limited has secured a new work order from Wipro Limited to provide manpower services on a contractual basis for a period of 1 year. The aggregate value of the contract is 64,27,200 Indian rupees and 40 paise. This work order marks another significant achievement for the company and further strengthens our association with Wipro Limited. Trishakti Industries Limited has secured a significant contract from Jindal Stainless Limited. Under this contract, Trishakti Industries Limited will deploy advanced heavy machines worth 37 million Indian rupees for its ongoing steel project. This contract further strengthens our relationship with Jindal Stainless Limited and is a testament to our commitment to providing high-capacity equipment for large-scale projects and further strengthens our position in the infrastructure sector. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।